What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, and today I'll be hitting y'all with a review and a dope on feet of the Air Jordan 6 Chinese New Year's. I already did the on feet for y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed it. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button for your boy. Hit the notification bell. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up for your boy so we can get this video to at least 300 plus likes. That's a goal for every video from here on out. 300 plus likes. So without further ado, man, let's get into the video. Here we have it, man, the Air Jordan 6 Chinese New Year's. Quick round review for y'all. First question right off rip, are y'all going after this sneaker? This shoe is going for retail on StockX. Wife was amazed that I got this pair for retail, and she thought I was paying way more for that before we even shot the video. And I was like, nah, you gotta just wait and see till we do the video. And if y'all ain't checked that video out, go ahead and check it out. Leave a card up here. But here we have it, Air Jordan 6 Chinese New Year's. My first thoughts is this shoe is dope, bro. Like, everything they threw on this sneaker was just, everything they put together on the sneaker is just dope, you know what I'm saying? I like how they threw the flower right there. That right there, just, it was like instant cop once I seen that rose. And the Chinese New Year's theme is pretty amazing just by itself, man. And they wrapped it around the whole Air Jordan 6, one of my favorite silhouettes. As y'all know, the Air Jordan 6 Carmine is my favorite colorway shoe of all time, man. They threw this on this 6, and it was amazing. So quick review for y'all. Not a quick review, but a thorough review for y'all. Y'all see they have the fireworks and the confetti all around the shoe. Like y'all seen in the round view right there. You got this Air Jordan and that gold right here, Air Jumpman, as y'all can see. And on the spoiler back here, you got the gold around the spoiler. Very nice. Y'all know Jordan designed after one of his cars, and Air Jordan 6 right here got the spoiler, man. You know what I'm saying? So very dope. You see this black midsole, but once you get around on the side, you got this gold hint right here. Not even a hint, it's there. You know what I'm saying? That gold just pops. And over here, you got the black wrapping around, and you have the gold right here as well, man. Very nice. Black toe cap right here, as y'all can see. You got that black toe right here, man. Very nice. It's a nubuck, not a suede. It's a very nice nubuck, but as you know, over time this shoe will get very dusty. Jordan brand ain't gonna give us a premium feel on all sneakers. That's just how it is. It's just how it is in the sneaker game. You gotta get with it or get lost, you feel me? But you know, like I said, you already see that 3M. The lace tips right here is just regular black lace tips. That would have been dope if they would have threw some gold behind there. That would have been very nice. And on the tongue right here, you see you got the Jordan right there. Just like on every Air Jordan 6, you got the air in between the Jordan, and then you see you got this Jumpman right here, and that gold, man. Very nice. How many times have I said nice so far? Y'all let me know in the comment section below, man. And you got the black laces, like I said. Nothing special behind the mesh on the tongue. Just a regular tongue, and nothing behind the back of the tongue as well. You see you got that red insole right here. Red, nothing special. Didn't even come with a size tag like all my Air Jordans usually come with. But I'm guessing this pair came from China. Like I said, I got an early $250 plus shipping. You cannot let that still go to waste, you feel me? I had to cop it. And one thing I want to point out was a lot of stitching problems, because you see the stitching problems all around the shoe. Just like over here on the inside of the shoe, you see that, like, you can tell they like cut it or something real quick. I don't know. I don't know what they do in the production line or whatever. But you can tell, like, this stuff right here is not supposed to be there, man. It's supposed to be there, but it ain't supposed to be exposed like that, you feel me? You ain't supposed to see what's under this material, you know what I'm saying? That's just my thought about it. And you got the 3M on the inside of the shoe as well. Very nice. As y'all know, the Air Jordan 12 came with a full 3M upper. I need that shoe back in my collection. Y'all let me know if y'all got the CNY 12 as well. And yeah, man, very dope shoe. Shout out the other one real quick. I laced that one. Got the gold right there. And yeah, man, you cannot go wrong. There go another factory flaw right there. You see the threading right there. Let's see that right there. But overall, man, I'm glad I added to my collection. I'm very glad. Outsole right here, you got the milky outsole. They didn't throw the icy blue in there. I'm glad they didn't do that, because icy blue is kind of, you know what I'm saying, getting old. But hey, it's Jordan, like I said. Black outsole with that red Jumpman. Very nice. Overall thoughts on the shoe is, I'm glad I caught, like I said. One of my dopest pickups will be in my top 10 2018. I don't care what else come out. These are nice. That's how much I like this pair. You feel me? Let me know how y'all feel in the comment section below. Let me know if you copping. Let me know if you dropping. Let me know if they fire. Let me know if they not. Let me know if they gonna sit. Let me know if they gonna sell out. Let me know all that in the comment section below. I doubt they hit the Nike outlets, but you never know with Jordan Brand these days. They said they was gonna start cutting down the quantity of the shoes. And hey, I feel like the Air Jordan 13s are gonna sit just because they threw an all-around suede on it. I ain't feeling it. Oh yeah, check this out right here. All that extra threading right there, man. That's just crazy. Hey, it is what it is. I'm gonna fix it up real quick and throw it in a clear case, man. And hopefully rock this bad boy in about a year, you know what I'm saying? I don't like wearing my shoes like everybody's get theirs dirty, and then I'm gonna pull mine out, you feel me? Y'all, please let me know how y'all feel about this sneaker in the comment section below. Answer all the questions I ask. Go true to size on this sneaker. Y'all know how it is with Air Jordan 6s. True to size as always. Let me know how you feel about the retail price. Like, comment, subscribe to your boy. Hit the notification bell for your boy. Follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. Hope y'all enjoy this on feet, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Let's get it.
Yeah, in the stove, on the corner of my road. I should've took the boat. Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I'll be in a fuss. All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now. Yeah, always on the road, I never home. Got a couple bands on my own. Now they really calling up my phone. Now they really wish that I was home. But I don't wanna party on my own. I don't wanna feel so alone. I made a couple bands on my own. Now all they wanna do is pay for it. They don't wanna see me get money. And they don't want nothing to do with peace. I jump up in that whip, they call police. I'm driving, yeah, I'm speeding on the leash. Yeah, yeah. Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone. We be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right or wrong, I don't even know. All my conscience gone. I don't even know. All my conscience gone. Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone. We be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right or wrong, I don't even know. All my conscience gone. I don't even know. All my conscience gone. Yeah, at the store, on the corner of my road. Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I'll be in a fuss. All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now.